So this is my tip on what you can do to fix your triangle. Actually, fix isn't the right word. There's probably nothing wrong with your triangle. As I often say, if you're doing yoga, you are winning at life anyway. But if you want to refine your triangle, if you want to get the most out of it, if you want to release more parts of the body and strengthen other parts of the body, this is my recommendation. Firstly, use a block. Don't be shy. It used to be thought of previously, and by me too, that a block was somehow a reflection on poor practice, but that isn't the case at all. It's a very dated way to look at things. I place the block to the inside, but I'm going to place it to the outside so you can get a better look at my limbs. I place it to the outside. I rest my palm on the block, my hand on the hip. And if you notice that I'm not resting, I push my left hand into the ground. Look at the difference that makes. So I push. So the first step is use the block. The second step is to push into the block to really engage your body. Then straighten your front leg without moving your spine. See how I did that? So first step, use a block. Second step, push into the block. Third step is to straighten your front leg without moving your spine there. And you can reach up. So that turns this into this. Hope that makes sense. Subscribe to Akram Yoga Academy, where we're trying to make all things yoga free and accessible for as many people as possible.